Okay, hello Anders. I hope this is working now. I had some problems with the camera, but I think it's now has been fixed. But anyways, yes, I will give a little presentation about the memento we have seen in the class. And first of all, I will uh, tell you about a quick summary of the film, and that is Leonard, who is the central person in the story, has memory loss, and that means that he can't remember the things he has been told. Like he has a conversation in the film, and he has to write down notes to remember the things she is telling him. Yes. And also he has many tattoos, especially like address to remember the things. Yes, and the whole reasons why he has to write down things. Oh, sorry. The whole reason about the movie, the red line in the story is that Leonard, the central person, will find the person who has killed his wife. Yes. So now I'll give a little um, oh, personal characteristics, and we start first with Leonard. Yes, Leonard. He is a former insurgent investigator who has, as I have told. His wife has been killed, and he has also a failure for who he takes risks to help her, and that is the other person. Yes, Natalie. Oh, shit. Yes, the personal characteristics is Leonard, Natalie, and Teddy. Oh shit. And yes, Leonard. Oh, sorry, language. But yes, Natalie, Leonard. He can also trust anyone, as his whole life is a rather pacific and paranoid sort of puzzle solving, and he doesn't trust anyone because he has this syndrome, yeah, memory loss. So yes, he doesn't care about other people. But yes, and also things about him is that he wants to take revenge, and just nothing else matters to him other than find the person who has killed his wife. Yes, that was Leonard. Then we have Natalie. Natalie is the girl in the movie, and she is just another girl who works in the restaurant, to where Leonard meets and just falls for her. And she also uses him only to take revenge on her boyfriend in the movie. And her character is like his unwanted killing of Jenny, and she also will be treated back crossing woman. Yes. Then we have Teddy. Teddy pretends to help Lenny, but the real reason is why he's helping him is as he's not helping Lenny. It's just yes, I don't know. But Teddy is also a police officer. However, he act like a kind of a criminal person also. Yes. Then I will talk about the narrative style. Yes. In the movie, they have three different segments. We have the past, the future, and the present. Yes, the movie. Yes, the past is which is fragment memories of Leonard shown in color. the future and the past is which Leonard memory in sugar in chocolate order of black and white, and the past and future came together to form the prison at the end, like in the murder scene at the end. Yes, and then I will talk about the end of the movie. The end of the movie, audience expects the same effects that the short-term memory loss brings, because as a viewer, you will like remember the plot as a fragment, and it just show it just show oh sorry it just show because as a viewer you remember the plot and fragment as you solve the puzzle, and the bringing the pieces together, it's a very mind-blowing movie. Especially you have to what to say, it's like the future, but the ending is like the first scene, so you have to watch very careful to like remember the movie and to understand the movie also. But it's very mind-blowing, and it's very difficult to what can I say? It's very difficult to yes, it's just very difficult to like I can't remember the word, but it just is very mind-blowing. Yeah, but that was like that was it. And my opinion on the movie is like, it's very, yeah, as I said, very mind-blowing, very weird. It was a different kind of movie, but I think it's a very good movie, especially the people in the movie. Yeah, it's good. That was it. Yes, thank you.